welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to trim and cut videos in DaVinci Resolve. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just make sure you have a video on your timeline like I do right here. Once you have that on your timeline in DaVinci, you can go ahead right beside this pointer tool. You see this tool with these three squares. You just want to click on that, and then you just want to drag your red line to right here, just to where you want to clip the video to. So I'll say like right here, just a few seconds to clear out this blank period. So all you have to do at this point is go put this cursor at the start of the video that you want to trim, and then simply just drag it all the way over to the red line. And you can do the same with the audio as well to match it, just like that, and it'll stop on this red line right here. Once that is done, you can go ahead and click over these two audio and video, and then you just drag it over to the start of the timeline, just to ensure that your video starts at the start of your timeline, doesn't start a couple seconds in. Now when it comes to cutting out parts of the video, you can go ahead and click on this little blade tool. It's the fourth tool down from your left. It's called the blade edit mode. You can just go ahead and click on that, and then this will allow you just to drag and click, and it will cut that portion of the video out. Once you find that portion, you can go ahead and match it with the audio and click an ending point like this. And then you'll be able to cut out this middle portion right here, simply just by clicking and dragging over it like this, and then right clicking, and then you're able to click on delete selected, and that will remove those the audio clip and the video clip from the scene. And then you can go ahead and click over this and drag this over like this, just to complete a complete video. And then you can go ahead and obviously add in a transition here, just to make everything more nice and smooth. But yeah, it's very easy and simple to do in DaVinci. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.